In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Finance dark mode. If you like tracking stocks at night or you just prefer a darker interface, switching Google Finance to a dark look can make a big difference for your eyes. We'll do this using a built-in Chrome setting that forces dark mode on websites, including Google Finance. Start by opening your browser and going to google.com/finance. This lets you see the default light theme so you can compare before and after. Now, because Google Finance doesn't always offer a native dark theme for everyone, we're going to use a Chrome feature called an experimental flag. Flags are optional settings that Google is testing. They can change or move over time, so use them thoughtfully, but they're very handy for this. Open a new tab and type Chrome flags in the address bar, then press enter. You'll land on the experiments page. At the top, there's a search box. Click it and type dark mode. This filters the long list down to what we need. Look for the setting called Auto Dark Mode for web contents. That's the one that forces websites to render in darker colors. On the right side of that item, there's a drop-down menu. It likely says Default. Click it and choose Enabled. This tells Chrome to apply dark styling to sites automatically, even if the site doesn't have its own dark theme. Keep in mind, because this is a forced dark mode, some pages or charts may look a bit different. Most people find it perfectly usable, especially for text-heavy pages like news and watch lists, but it's good to know what's happening behind the scenes. After you enable it, Chrome will show a button at the bottom to relaunch the browser. Click Relaunch. Chrome will quickly restart and bring your tabs back. When it reopens, head back to google.com/finance. You should now see the interface with dark backgrounds and lighter text, which is much easier on the eyes in low light. A couple of tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the option, make sure you're on a fairly recent version of Chrome. And if the new look isn't for you, or a page's colors don't render the way you expect, you can always reverse this by going back to Chrome/flags, searching for dark mode again, and switching that drop down from enabled back to default or disabled. That restores the original appearance. That's it. You've turned Google Finance into dark mode using Chrome's auto dark mode for web contents flag. Enjoy the easier low glare browsing experience.